Before, this is after. So pretty big difference from before and after. So it definitely works. All right guys, today we're seeing if this plastic restore actually works from Car Guys. So let's get started. All right, so our panels aren't too bad. Up here is a little faded, so we're gonna go ahead and brush it along up here and see how this actually turns out. So we just add a little dab. Well, it definitely does color it up. It's definitely adding some life back to it. All right, now the oil test. A little bit of oil on your hands. Obviously, it still needs to dry. Once it dries in, it won't be as bad on your hands. But it's not like it's slimy oily. It just, you can feel there's oil, but it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. So here is the real test on our Jeep. So this needs repainted, but as you guys can take a look here, this is before, this is after. So pretty big difference from before and after. So it definitely works. How long, you know, who knows, we'll see. But it definitely looks nice. So if you definitely, you know, detailing, you know, doing your vehicle, going car show, or just going away or something, definitely will make your vehicle shine up better. All right, so we use this a lot. We did our fenders, flares, and I mean, I'm telling you guys, it really does work. We did the rest of our top here. And it seriously does work. I mean, this is a really nasty top. So this top has so many imperfections, but from a distance, I mean, it really blends. I can't recommend this product more than, you know, I already am. This is amazing. Anyone who says it doesn't work, I don't know, guess doesn't know how to apply it, which is pretty simple. But yeah, works great.